conics. It is also known as conic sections. Conics, conic sections, same meaning. The conics is derived from the cone. From that cone, this conic section derived. Introduction. But conic is defined as a conic is a locus of a point which moves in a plane so that its distances from a fixed point and fixed straight line bears a constant ratio. Up to here definition. The constant distance and constant distance from point, fixed point. That ratio is called locus of the conic. Next, this fixed point is called focus, is denoted by capital S. Focus is represented by S. The fixed line is called a directrix. It is denoted by small l. And the constant ratio is called the eccentricity of the conic, which is denoted by small e. Small e is represented for eccentricity of the conic. Next, by the definition, we fix the point S. This is the fixed point that is denoted by S. This fixed point is the focus. And P is a moving point. P is a moving point in the plane, xy plane. After that, we consider the one straight line perpendicular to this axis. This is the fixed line. This fixed line is called directrix. Directrix. So this is called axis of the conic. Axis of the conic. This is the definition. This is the diagram for the conic. So here by definition, what is given? SP division PM. It is the constant. That constant is E. E means constant. SP by PM is equal to E. That is the constant. So here E is the eccentricity of the conic. So here in the conic section, there are three topics. There are three topics. One is parabola, and second is ellipse. Third, hyperbola. These are three topics from the conic section. Important three topics. So these three, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, depending upon the eccentricity E, eccentricity of the conic E. So if E is equal to 1, it is called parabola. If E is equal to 1, it is called parabola. If E less than 1, it is ellipse. If E greater than 1, it is hyperbola. Three cases. If E is equal to 1, it is perfectly parabola. E less than 1, it is perfectly ellipse. If E greater than 1, hyperbola. Three cases. Some another cases also there. Note here. If E is equal to 0, it is the circle. It is the JE point. If E is equal to infinity, it is the pair of straight lines. Pair of straight lines. We cannot define for the pair of straight lines. If E is equal to root 2, it is the rectangular hyperbola. Rectangular hyperbola. If E is equal to 0, circle. If E is equal to infinity, pair of straight lines. If E is equal to root 2, rectangular hyperbola. Next. The general equation for conic section. The general equation for conic section. Proof. Here moving point is P x comma y, and the fixed point x1 comma y1, fixed point, that is S, and the fixed line or directrix, both are same. Directrix is Lx plus My plus N is equal to 0. Consider these 3 points. Moving point is Pxy, fixed point x1 y1, that is focus. Directrix, that line is Lx plus My plus N is equal to 0. Then what coming? Conic equation. From the diagram, this is the directrix Lx plus My plus N is equal to 0. This is the fixed point S x1 y1. This is the moving point P x comma y. Join this point. This is the M point. It is a foot of the perpendicular from P point on directrix. S is the fixed point. Join this. SP by PM is constant. According to definition of the conic, SP by PM is equal to E. So on multiplication, SP is equal to E PM. So what is the SP? Distance between the S and P. SP is the under root of x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square is equal to E. PM is the perpendicular distance from the P point to directrix. So perpendicular distance, what? L x1 in this plus m by 1 plus n by under root of L square plus m square. This is the perpendicular length or distance from the P point to directrix. On squaring, it is x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square is equal to E square Lx plus My plus n by L square plus m square under root whole square. So on expansion, it takes place on expansion both sides and taking it is the capital Ax square plus Bxy plus Cy square plus D x plus Ey plus F is equal to 0. On expansion, this form of coming. So in this is the conic equation in terms of x and y. Here b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. If this represent a conic, which type? We decide here also. This is parabola. If b square minus 4a is equal to 0, it is the parabola. B square minus 4ac less than 0, it is the ellipse. If b square minus 4ac greater than 0, it is the hyperbola. These are the 3 conditions when general form is given. Ax square bxy plus ey square plus dx plus ey plus f. These are the 3 conditions. Next, parabola. In the conic section, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, three cases are there. In that first topic is parabola. So already we discussed about parabola. That is, if E is equal to 1, E means what? Eccentricity. Eccentricity is equal to 1, then it is called parabola. In another way, it is the locus of the point in a plane, points in a plane which are at a equal distances from a fixed point and fixed line. That is, SP by PM is equal to 1. On multiplication, it is equal to SP is equal to only PM coming. So on the diagram, this is the S, this is the P, this is the M, this is the directrix. So that form is coming like this. This is the parabola shape. This is the description about the parabola. Next, standard form of the parabola, equation of the parabola in standard form. So in standard form means standard form of parabola, that is, y square is equal to 4ax. This is the equation of the parabola in standard form. Standard form of parabola or equation of the standard form of the parabola, same meaning, that is y square is equal to 4ax. Here consider Sz is equal to 2a. That means from the diagram, it is x axis, this is the y axis. Choose your point S here Z point. So this distance equal to 2a, consider Sz is equal to 2a. That is, this is the vertex A. Here vertex is equal to 0, 0. Vertex A. A point, moving point here, P of x, y. So here Sz is equal to 2a. To equate, Az is equal to As. Taking Az is equal to As. That is equal to A. So Z means the intersection point of directrix and the axis of the conics. This is the directrix. This is the focus. Yes. So focus coordinates are a, 0. That's why this is a distance. This is also a distance. These are the equal distances. Az is equal to As. Thus, coordinates of S, a, 0. This distance a. So this point lies on the x-axis. That's why y coordinate 0. So this distance also a. So a in the negative direction. Equation of the directrix is x is equal to minus a. X value negative minus negative a. That's why x is equal to minus a. Then it is taken as x plus a is equal to 0. This is the directrix equation in the left side. Next, draw the projection here. This point is M. So here x coordinate, abscissa x. This value is x length. This value is a length. So here PM is equal to x plus a. X plus a. PM length x plus a. Here P is equal to x comma y. This is the moving point. Moving point. So here PM is equal to x plus a. And the directrix is x plus a is equal to 0. These are the main importance. Directrix x plus a equation and focus a comma 0. By the definition of a parabola, SP is equal to PM. SP is what? SP. This is the SP, distance between the 2 points, P and S. So it is x minus a whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to perpendicular distance to x plus a is equal to 0 from the xy point. It is x plus a. PM is equal to x plus a. Already we write here PM is equal to x plus a. And modulus. So squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Then we get x minus a whole square plus y square is equal to x plus a whole square. From this, y square is equal to x plus a whole square minus x minus a whole square. And expansion y square is equal to x square plus a square plus 2ax minus x square plus a square minus 2ax. So here x square a square cancelled. Next y square is equal to remaining plus 2ax minus 2 minus plus 2ax. Totally 4ax coming. This is the standard form of the parabola. This is the standard form of the parabola. When we call the standard form, vertex at a 0 comma 0. Vertex a is called vertex. Here a is called vertex. Note the vertex A at origin and x-axis is axis of the conic. Axis of the conic. The vertex A at origin and x-axis is axis of the conic. Then it is in standard form. Then it is in standard form. Standard form meaning this. If the vertex at A and the conic axis is the x-axis, then it is in standard form. So this is the x-axis. This point is vertex. So vertex, how we define? Vertex means the intersection point of parabola and axis of the cone. Axis of the conic is called vertex. Is called vertex. Is denoted by A. Is denoted by A. Vertex meaning the intersection point of parabola curve and axis of the conic, that is A. Here A is the origin in standard form. S is the focus, A comma 0. So this is the y square is equal to 4ax is the standard form finally. After this, many forms having in the standard form of the parabola, 4 types. One is four types here, 4 standard forms. 4 standard forms. One, y square is equal to 4ax. Second, y square is equal to minus 4ax. And third, x square is equal to 4ay. And fourth, x square is equal to minus 4ay. These are all in standard forms. For these standard forms, vertex and focus and directrix and axis, conic axis, what? So write here, number 1 case, y square is equal to 4ax. In this case, here vertex A is equal to 0 comma 0 and directrix x plus A is equal to 0. Axis is means conic axis is x axis here. So this diagram is symmetric to x axis and symmetric to x axis. This is the y square is equal to 4ax. X axis, it is the S A comma 0. This is the directrix. X plus A is equal to 0. This point is Z, this point E. This is first type. Already we proved here. Second case. Y square is equal to minus 4ax. This is also standard form. Here A is equal to 0 comma 0 vertex same. Directrix x minus A is equal to 0. Some reverse left side. And the axis is same. Axis is x axis. Symmetric to x axis also. The diagram symmetric to x axis. This diagram is like this, left side open. Here right side open, here left side open. This is y square is equal to minus 4ax. Here directrix x minus A is equal to 0, this one. This is the S point. It is minus A comma 0. Here S is equal to minus A comma 0. This is y axis, vertex A. This is the x axis. This is the second form. And the third form, x square is equal to 4ay. Here the diagram changes to x axis to y axis, y to x axis. Here vertex same, A 0 comma 0. Focus S is the 0 comma A. And directrix y plus A is equal to 0. First place, here x instead of x, y plus A is equal to 0. Here symmetric to y axis. The diagram symmetric to y axis. This type. Above open. X square is equal to 4ay. Here focus S A comma 0. 0 comma A. Because lies on y axis. So x coordinate 0. This is x axis, this is y axis. It is the vertex A 0 comma 0. vertex at origin and directrix in this downside. This is y plus a is equal to 0. Actually it is y is equal to minus a. This is plus a length, this is minus a length. Y is equal to minus a. Next y plus a is equal to 0 coming. This is the third form. And fourth form. X square is equal to minus 4ay. Some reverse. Down open. A is equal to 0 comma 0 and S is equal to 0 comma minus a directrix. Y minus a is equal to 0. Y plus a is equal to 0 above. Y minus a is equal to 0 below. This is also symmetric to y axis. Y axis. This diagram is downwards, open. This is x square is equal to minus 4ay. S is here 0 comma minus a. This is the directrix. Y minus a is equal to 0. Y axis, x axis. This is the vertex a 0 comma 0. Here another four forms here. Vertex at h comma k. Before this 0 comma 0 origin. Here vertex changed at h comma k. In this case, here four forms. Here four forms. One is y minus k whole square is equal to 4a into x minus h. This is first case. Instead of that first form y square is equal to 4ax, that vertex shifted to h comma k. So according to shifting rule, instead of h put h minus x, instead of y take y minus k. If h comma k 0, again this will come y square is equal to 4ax. So instead of y put y minus k, instead of x, x minus h. Just that vertex is changed to another place. This diagram is like this. So here origin 0 comma 0. This point is shifted to here. This is the vertex h comma k. This is vertex h comma k. Here s. So this s is change the coordinates h plus a comma k. This is the axis of conic. Axis of conic. Here conic means parabola. This parabola axis parallel to x axis. This parabola axis parallel to x axis. So origin shifted to h comma k. Then change the focus h plus a and k. Here directrix. This is the directrix. At the beginning directrix formula, first case x plus a is equal to 0. Instead of x, put x minus h only. X minus h plus a is equal to 0. This is the directrix. So now we write vertex is equal to h comma k. Then focus is h plus a comma k. Here conic parabola axis is parallel to x axis. This is one thing. And directrix x minus h plus a is equal to 0. These are the changes when we change the vertex to h comma k. Next, second form. In this second form, There are also second form standard. Here second case, y minus k whole square is equal to 4a into x minus h as it is, but symbol is negative here. So left side open. X axis, y axis. This left side open. It is the vertex a h comma k. This focus h minus a comma k. This is the directrix. It is x minus h minus a is equal to 0. This is the origin 0 comma 0. This is the directrix. Here also this is directrix. So we write here v is equal to h comma k, same. S is the h minus a comma k, and parabola axis x axis. Parabola axis is parallel to x axis. Parallel to x axis. And directrix x minus h minus a is equal to 0. This is the second form. And the third form, here reverse, instead of y put k, x minus h whole square is equal to 4a into y minus k. This is another form. So this diagram is upside. This type. So this vertex is a h comma k. This is the origin. This is the directrix. So here focus S h comma k plus a. This is x axis, this is y axis. So here a is equal to h comma k and s is equal to h comma k plus a, and parabola axis is parallel to y axis, and the equation of directrix is, that is x minus h plus a is equal to 0. Here y minus k plus a is equal to 0. Third form. Here put y minus k plus a is equal to 0. This is the third form. Fourth form, x minus h whole square is equal to 4a into y minus k, but symbol is negative. Here diagram, downwards open. Here S. Here S is the h comma k minus a. This is the directrix. So here changes y minus k minus a is equal to 0. This is the vertex a. It is h comma k. This is the origin. This is the axis, y axis. This is x axis. So here V is equal to H comma K, S is equal to H comma K minus A, and parabola axis is parallel to y axis. The equation of directrix is y minus k minus a is equal to 0. These are the four forms if origin is shifted to h comma k. These are also standard form.